for Sri E.T. Mohammad Basir
for giving me this opportunity to make my observation on this very important bill. Sir, when I heard some of my friends the other side saying that this bill is anti-democratic, not in conformity with the constitution, and some of them were saying that it is neoliberal. So unfortunately our friends on the other side, they are having some permanent words in their basket which they will use for any occasion. It is like that. That is some stock thing which they will use for any occasion. Sir, it is not like that. It is not like that. This bill can be described. When I am saying a truth, kindly don't get annoyed. So this bill can be described as a glittering chapter. This bill can be called as a
nothing will go on record except
in
Mr.
the history of Indian education after independence. It is really laudable. I congratulate the Honorable Minister for taking bold initiative, not only in this case, but also he is doing reforms, basic reforms in the field of education. I would like to say that the name of Sri Kapil Sibal will be written with the golden letters in the history of Indian education. Sir, this bill really serves an important purpose. One thing is this curbs the commercialization of education. And second thing, this will mark an end to some untouchability in some schools. There are some schools on which the doors are closed for the downtrodden section and the weaker section of the society. That also will make an end. Similarly, this ensures accessibility of education to all the children. Sir, this ensures discrimination against any section of the society. And this ensures 25% reservation for weaker section and disadvantaged group. Sir, about this, I will tell you. When this government introduced 27% reservation in IIM, IIT, Central University and things like that, there was a lot of criticism that will downgrade the quality of education. What really happened? So in my hand, this is a copy of an article appeared in the latest issue of Outlook magazine. So they have conducted a survey on the last 1 year, what happened after introducing this 27%. Title of the article is 27% a pass mark. A year after quota, Outlook finds its students do as well as others. IIT principals and national institutions heads, they are all saying that these students selected in the reserved category equally good to the other meritorious students. So by introducing this 25%, our quality will never have any minus point. Yes. It will ensure quality of the education. So screening is not there. There is no capitation fee. These are all good things. And physical punishment is not there. And there is another important thing. That is about recognition. Once legislation is passed, schools without recognition cannot function. Okay, there must be some control. This mushroom growth of private institutions should not be encouraged. But at the same time, what about giving recognition? If that is not ensured, there is no meaning in this. Unfortunately, some state education laws are even against the constitution. Constitution Article 31 says that the minorities can establish and administer education institution of their choice. But unfortunately, what the state governments are doing, they are not giving permission. Even NOC for CBSE schools are not given. That's just the thing. So what I am saying is, constitutional provision is, state of Kerala, everybody knows that they are deadly against in giving recognition. They feel that. They feel that.
Please sit down. Please
They
sit
feel
down.
that.
Please sit down.
Their career
Please sit down.
is something greater.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Nothing will go on record except Mr. Basi. Please.
Sir,
Please, Karunakaranji, you are a senior member. Please sit down. No, nothing will go on record except Basi. Please sit down.
You are doing it with political motivation only.
Please sit
You are
down.
doing it with political motivation only. I am telling you a fact.
Please sit down. Please.
I am telling you.
Nothing will go on record except Mr. Basi.
Sir, they should not unnecessarily interfere like that. They are doing
Please
that.
conclude also.
They are doing that. They are doing that.
Please.
Yes, sir. I am coming sir,
You have no time.
formation of the managing committee. There is another important thing in this. What is that? Teachers will not be utilized for non-academic activities like surveys, census, and all kind of things. This is in the best interest of academic activity. Sir, one thing is left in this. I would like to say that is about special schools. When we talk about education for all, what is the meaning in ignoring the special schools? Physically handicapped, mentally retarded children. I would like to appeal the Honorable Minister and the government to have and to include this particular ill-fated section of the society also within the purview of this act. Sir, I don't want to take much time. One thing, this is a very good legislation. Intention is very good, contention is very good. Adding intention and contention, then the implementation part comes. In the implementation side, we will have some problem. If that part is well attended, this will be a best piece of legislation.
All right, thank you.
This country has ever seen.
Honorable members,
I wholeheartedly support
P.D. Rai.
this bill and conclude. Thank you very much.